right, back with another video. We're gonna talk about one of our favorite things, or the smartest things that we did when we started building all our animal shelters and our little thing. And I think the smartest thing we've done is make mobile shelters. We're moving them all over, giving them fresh grass all the time. It took a little while. Actually, it didn't take that long to build the shelters. So we're just gonna check them out. We're going over here. We're gonna move the ducks today. We're back to work full time now after the summer. And so we're trying to get all our animals together. We've got all the pigs and chickens. If you haven't seen the video on the bacon and eggs, mobile coops, we'll post that up here. But if you check back here, we've got all our pigs together. And so we are gonna move. They're not all in the same pen. They're just all in the same area to make it easier to feed and water them in the morning so we can get ready and get to work. So we're gonna move the ducks from over in the orchard where they've been helping fertilize and water the orchards. And we're gonna move them back there with the pigs and chickens. So our morning chores are a little bit easier and we can get to work. So let's check it out. We're gonna do a quick repair before we go. If you can see there, the handle's spinning when we're moving that, so I'm just gonna put a screw in there, tighten that up, make it good to go for ease of movement around the farm.
I just think I saw something. So the ducks did their job in the orchard for us. Now we're setting them over here close to the garden. The garden's kind of winding down for the year. The weeds have taken over. We're still getting some good stuff though. If you see, we got some pumpkins. Let me find a pumpkin here. Oh my gosh!
Got a pumpkin here.
Look!
Oh yeah, we got a big pumpkin over here. Two of them. Two big pumpkins growing in here. And I think my favorite one is these watermelons. Man, we got a little rain the other day and these have just taken off. I think this watermelon's ready to pick. They're just baby, small watermelons. That one's almost ready. Got a bunch of melons over there. We need to get out here and do some picking. So, hey, and the other thing about moving these animals, we made all the shelters mobile, easy to move. You can tell, I wish I had a drone. If you go up high in the air, you can see all the green circles where we've had them placed. And the grass grows back there so thick and lush, and it's just amazing the difference it makes. So we're gonna run and get the ducks, get the pools, and get them to their new spot and fill up their pools for them. So let's go get the pools. You ready? Get the pools and the waters. And then we got to feed the animals. So let's get going. All right, we got the pools over here. Brooklyn is going to work on filling up the waters. I'm just going to show you our mobile systems again. We obviously got the quack shack on wheels, the pig shelters there,
They're not on wheels, they're on skids. Sometimes I can pull them depending on how far we're going. Hey, Cupcake, how you doing, Pumpkin? There's all the piglets. Shout out to Reagan here. Reagan, we're gonna come back and get some more piglet video here in just a minute. One of our super fans, Reagan from Michigan. Let's just run over here. If you guys remember the chickshaw builds, Justin Rhodes chickshaw builds, we got those off him. I'll link that video up here. That's what we did for the chickens. We just got little chickshaws. Only thing different, which I thought was just a big money saver, I put these little dolly wheels on it. Cost us only about, hey guys, cost like $9 a piece, whereas the wheels on his chickshaw are like 60. I had to rig up that brace for the wheels. Hey, trying to do a video. Had to rig up those wheels so they work, but guys, it moves so easy. By the way, update, have not pulled a tick off a pig in weeks. Ever since we've done our bacon and egg mobiles, the chickens have been taking care of the ticks. That's awesome. And here's our other setup back here. Doug and Lucy, Americanas. We got one Americana out, but they always go back when it's feed time. They're getting hungry, we're getting ready to feed them, so he'll go back. But guys, if you're not sure and you're not sure what to build, do it mobile. Don't build a permanent structure that you can't move and then a couple years from now you wish you to put it somewhere else. Build your things mobile. You can move them to where you want them. After you've lived on your property for a while, you'll figure out the best spot for your shelters, structures, everything like that. You may never want a permanent one after you build mobile stuff, so I encourage you to build everything mobile, easy to move. You can rotate them around. They're always getting fresh grass. It just works out great. I'm gonna go back over here and check out Brooklyn, see if she's done filling up these pools, and then we'll wrap this video up about our mobile pastured bacon and egg system, and everything's easy to move. It's great. So Brooklyn's almost got them done filling up. Ducks are loving it already. We're excited to see if they're gonna venture into the garden, get some beetles, bugs, slugs, eat those up. The ducks are a lot easier on the garden than the chickens. They don't scratch as much. And we're gonna wrap this one up. So if you haven't already, make sure you
give a thumbs up, subscribe, and check us out on Instagram.
All right, guys, we'll check you on the next video. Hey, Reagan, we didn't forget. Well, we almost forgot. This is for Reagan. She's one of our super fans, I guess you'd say. Buddy from Michigan, his little daughter, Reagan. Hey, say hi, Brooklyn.
Hi.
Hi, who?
Reagan.
Hi, Reagan. We know that her favorite animal on the videos to see is the piglets, so I want to give you a little extra footage, Reagan, to end this video of just piglets for you. Appreciate you guys watching and all the support. And Reagan, this is for you. By the way, the piglets are about 6 weeks old now.